What do Instagram, Uber, and Spotify have in common, aside from their bloated smartphone apps? They all use the Python programming language as part of their platform. Python is so versatile you can find it almost anywhere. Yep, there it is. Hold on. Did you just say programming language? That terrifying robot vernacular that hackers use? I know. Hearing that word may make some of you hide under your desk in a trembling ball of anxiety, but learning a programming language gives you the ability to create almost anything you want using a computer. The only limit is your imagination. Want to automate your spreadsheets? Python can. Want to make a website? Oh, puppies. Python can. But don't mix Python and puppies. It's a bad combination. Want to apply machine learning algorithms to web scrape sports statistics to determine the next winner of the Puppy Bowl? Say it with me now. Python can. Look, I know it's got to seem daunting to take a peek behind the curtain and just see a mess of code, but the Python programming language goes to great efforts to make it so beginner-friendly that a puppy could do it. For example, most other programming languages use this to represent and this to represent or. Python uses this. Makes so much more sense, right? With a future full of computers and smart devices, there are so many benefits to learning a programming language. And if you're a beginner, Python is a great place to start. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at what makes this magical programming language so darn magical. It's beginner friendly. It does its best to mimic the English language in terms of syntax, and you can run Python code whenever you want, as opposed to other languages where you have to compile the code before you can run it. It's versatile. It's great to use as a beginner or as a seasoned professional, and it has so many uses across so many different professions, from data science to web development to artificial intelligence and just about everything in between. It's in demand. Learning Python can be a very lucrative career choice. Python developers on average earn over 6 figures, and it's one of the few programming languages where you don't have to have a lot of experience to earn a high salary. Now, I say it's in demand, but what types of jobs are in demand? Software engineer. Career choices for Python software engineers are plentiful, and they're used in a lot of different industries to solidify their platforms, from IBM to Amazon to Disney. Data science. Data scientists are one of the most coveted jobs in the country. Companies like Uber, TikTok, and Epic Games use Python data scientists to help understand the users of their platforms. Web development. Instagram, Mozilla, National Geographic, and Pinterest also use Python as part of their web platform. Machine learning. Machine learning jobs have increased 350% since 2015, with a base salary of $140,000. Listen, I could shout the accolades of Python all day long, but it's best just to show you. So crack those knuckles, dust off that keyboard, and let's get our Python. For a deeper look at the topics discussed in this lesson, as well as examples, insights, and exercises, check out just below the video for our interactive Python workshop.